Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video, and today we're going to be doing another episode of checking out some of your guys' solar systems. So today we're on episode 126 of this series, and yeah, we've got two systems from the user Nikar on Discord, so a massive thank you to him for sending those in. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So yeah, well, the first system is called the HD, so let's go ahead and actually search this up for, right, so HD, and then it should be this one down here. So yeah, HD 9987789 system. So let's see what he is prepared for us here. Right, so here we go. Right, so what have we got here? Oh, okay, so it's a giant pulsar. Is that all the objects in here? Okay, so it's a very short little one, but let's see what he has got here. Maybe it's, I'm guessing maybe it's based off a real system then, due to the low amount of objects here. Here we go. So it's got one star and then one small object over here. So what have we got here? Whoa, okay, that's a black hole actually, not a planet. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, blue black hole as well. So I'm guessing if we click play, that'll be some pretty crazy stuff. And also it's got the pulsar stuff going on here as well. So yeah, this isn't really that large of an object, but if we click play, what happens? Does the black hole do anything? So the black hole's not that large in size, as we can see. It's only got 600 mass of Jupiter, and then this object here is about one sun. So yeah, there we go. But that is, well, that's very crazy. If we speed up a bit more, does anything happen? Yeah, it looks like they're just in a comfortable orbit right there. But yeah, there we go. And that is very, very crazy. So we're just going to go ahead and pause that. But yeah, the pulsar stuff. I haven't seen a pulsar in a system in quite a long time with all that stuff there. Or maybe it's more of a white dwarf, actually, just with the giant ring of stuff around it here. But yeah, with that all out the way, we can just head straight onto the second system. And yeah, that system is called the Colourful system official version. Right, so let's go ahead and search that up. So here we go. Okay, so this one looks to be bigger, so let's see what he has got for us here. So there's no description and stuff, so we can just get straight into it. We have got an object count of 15. Alrighty, but yeah, here we go. So the star itself. So as we can see here, Colourful A, it's got 8 masses of sun, basically bigger than the sun in all of its stats here. So there we go. Yeah, so a lot bigger in everything. It's got a cool purple colour to it as well there for its, where is it? Its interface. But yeah, there we go. But now moving on to object B. So Colourful B over here, this is a gas giant. Can we go on realistic? There we go. So it looks like there's 2 stars if we're getting light from somewhere else. But yeah, here is the second object. So it's quite a cool looking gas giant actually. It's got obviously one darker sort of reddish coloured band, and then the rest of it seems to be yellows and oranges. So yeah, there we go. It kind of reminds me of some sort of exotic fruit or something when I look at that. But yeah, there we are. And then the second object, it is a smaller gas world, and it is a red and white one here. Looks like it's got, may have a bit of a darker, it's got like a one darker grey band in there as well. But yeah, there we go. So there is that gas giant. So yeah, pretty cool object so far. Right, moving on to object C. So that is over here, and this one is a oh yeah, he did show me some pictures of this one. He teased it to me. So here we go. Here, this one is a very, very crazy banded object, as we can see. If we look at the bands, we can see yellow and orange mostly dominate this object, but we have got a mixture of other colours in here as well. So yeah, there we go. So that's looking pretty funky as well, the rainbow colours there. So Colourful C. Now moving on to Colourful D. Right, what we got here, this one's got a nice mixture of dark blues. As we can see, it's slightly tilted on its side as well, a lot more than Neptune. It's almost tilted like Uranus. I mean, if we look at that north and south pole, I mean, that's pretty, pretty tilted right there. It's got, yeah, like I said, a nice mixture of blues in there as well with a yellow interface. So there we go. So that is Colourful D. So there we are. Right, and then we have got one dwarf planet out here. This one is a rocky object this time. So here we go. So it's very, very funky in its colours as well, with the magenta and the orange sort of colours there. And it has one little moon as well here. Oh, I like the colour combination on this. That looks really good, actually. I really like the colour combo there. Got a bit of a glitch showing up there, so we'll just ignore that. But yeah, there we go. So that's got a really good looking object there. Right, now heading out. So where are we? So this is Colourful B now. Okay. So with the capital B as well, because remember this one was a lowercase, but yeah. So here we go. So this is the second star in here, as we saw earlier with the starlight. This one is very similar to the sun in its stats, as we can see here. So very, very similar stuff. So there we go there. Right, moving on to the first of the objects. So this is BB now. So here we go. So it's a pretty simple looking rocky world. It's almost like a super Earth in size. It's a little bigger than our Earth. Bigger in mass as well there. A lot colder though. So there we are. It's got a cool purple trail, that's for sure. And then its moon all the way over here. So yeah, about the size of the moon from the looks of it. Let's see here, comparing it to the moon. So 1.29 moons. So there we go. It's got a weird glitch bit at the top there as well. So just ignore that. But yeah, there we go. So pretty simple black and white theme here. So there we go. Right now, moving on. Where are we going now? So we have got Colourful E over here. So here we go, zooming all the way in here. So it's another small object, probably around the sort of dwarf planet sort of size. I mean, actually, no, you probably could get away with classing that as a planet there. But yeah, there we go. And then it also has one moon further away over here as well. So a little asteroid, as we can see here, by its different shapes. So a very small object, only 18 kilometers there. Right, now where are we heading next? I think there's one more. Yep, so Dwarf Planet 2. Here we go, all the way down here. Right, what have we got to finish up with today? So here we go. This is Dwarf Planet 2 over here. We can see it's getting a lot darker. So let's see how far away this object is from this star. So it's 194 orbital period, so it's not really too far. 67 AU. I mean, I guess that's further away than what Neptune is. So yeah, it's pretty far range. I'm right here, still getting obviously the starlight though. But yeah, there we go. But yeah, other than that, I believe that is everything for this system. So let's just get a yep, that. Oh no, there's one more. We have a comet out here. Good thing I scrolled out. So we have a comet all the way over here as well, and that is very far away from the system, as we can see here. So where are we? I mean, yeah, I'm guessing this doesn't have a parent object, but yeah, this thing is very far out from. Oh no, the orbital parent is Colourful there. So it's yeah, very far out, as we can see, of 1,111 AU away. So yeah, very far away stuff. Right there. But let's go ahead and get a line up before we finish up here. So right. If we go, yeah, okay, we just go to radius, of course, right there we are, make live. I didn't really have to do that, but oh well. So let's go all the way down here. So obviously there are our two stars, so A and B, they're obviously very large. Now moving on to the gas giants. So I think, picking the best one. I mean, it's got to be, for me personally, obviously I like my shades of blue. I'd probably go this one as my top gas giant in here. The nice mixture of the dark blues and navy blues in there as well, looking very nice indeed. And then for the rocky planets, where was that brown one I liked? Yeah, this one here. I'd go with that as my top object for the Rockies. I just like the way the colours are blended there, just minus that glitch there. But I think the way it looks up in the menu up here as well, I think it looks really cool for the chosen colours. Very nice indeed. So yeah, there we go, and we'll see a full-size comparison of all of the objects as well. So yeah, obviously more of a gas giant heavy system, with the gas giants being obviously the primary objects in here. But yeah, there we go. So really cool list of those. But yeah, guys, with that all out the way, that does it for today's episode. So yeah, if you want to send in your own simulations for this series, make sure to either join my Discord server, link in the description, where you can upload your systems in an upload chat there, or you can send me a comment on this video, and then yeah, send me a link to your Steam workshop of the system, because that can also be done as well. But yeah, please note it may not be the most reliable way of getting a system in, as it can get lost in the comments. I can forget about it, obviously a lot easier. But if you go to Discord, you can just add it to a list, and then it's just immediately into the queue, and I'll definitely get around to doing it at some point. But yeah, guys, with that all out the way, a massive thank you for watching today's video. Let's see if we can go for 30 likes on today's video, guys, and also subscribe if you're new. Helps on the journey to 14,000 subscribers, guys. It means the world. A massive thank you to everyone who's recently subscribed as well. It is absolutely awesome stuff. But yeah, with that all said and done, guys, make sure you all have a great day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.